Hello students, I am Sai Baba here. So now I am going to show you the assignment in simple harmonic motion. So in this class I will be just showing the 30 questions. That is the first part of the assignment in simple harmonic motion. So except for the first question, I will be showing you the multiple choice options for all the remaining questions. The first question is already shown on the screen. So I will be just reading each questions. So you, after reading each question, you can take a pause and try to write your answer or mark your answer on a paper. So at the end of this class, I will be showing you the answers for all these 30 questions. But I will not be discussing the solutions of these 30 questions in this class. I will start discussion of the solutions for these questions in my next class. So come on, look at the question number 1. I am going to read out the question number 1, which is shown already on the screen. The particle performs simple harmonic motion along y-axis about the point y equal to 0. At t equal to 0, y equal plus 1 centimeter and velocity is pi by root 3 centimeter per second in the positive direction. At t equal to 1 second, velocity is 0 and y equal to 2 centimeters. Find y and velocity of the particle at t equal to 2 seconds. Come on, take a pause and take your own time to try this problem. This problem I have prepared myself originally. That gives you the general approach for solving problems in SHM. Take a pause and take your time to try the problem. I am going to show the next question on screen. See the question number 2. The acceleration of particle performing simple harmonic motion is pi square by 9 centimeter per second square. So again I'll read out the question. The acceleration of particle performing SHM is pi square by 9 centimeter per second square. The particle is at a distance of 4 centimeter from center of oscillations. If the amplitude of oscillations is pi centimeter, then its time period is. Come on, take a pause and try the question. So I have shown the 4 options on the screen. So next I am going to show you the next question on the screen here. Look at the question number 3. I am going to read out the question number 3 now. The displacement from mean position, comma, velocity and acceleration of particle executing simple harmonic motion are found to have magnitudes 2 centimeter, comma, 1 meter per second and 10 meter per second square at a certain instant. The amplitude of oscillation is. Come on, try the question. So I have shown options on the screen. You take a pause and try the question. Take a pause and take your time to try the question. So I am going to show you the next question on screen. See the question number 4. A particle performing simple harmonic motion has a velocity of 132 by 7 centimeter per second when it is at a distance of 5 centimeters from center of oscillations. The amplitude of oscillation is 13 centimeter. Then its time period is. Shown options on the screen. Come on, take a pause and try the question. So I'm going to show the next question on screen. See the question number 5. Acceleration displacement graph of a particle executing simple harmonic motion is as shown in the given figure. The time period of its oscillation is within brackets in seconds. You have to take you have to take sine tan 63 degrees as 2. So you are given 4 options you can observe on the screen. Along in the graph, along x-axis, you are taking displacement from in position, along y-axis, acceleration of the particle. Come on, take a pause and try the question. So next I am going to show you the next question on the screen. Come on, look at the question number 6. The displacement time equation of a particle is executing simple harmonic motion is x equal to capital A sine omega t plus phi. At time t equal to 0, most position of the particle is x equal to a root 3 by 2 and it is moving along negative x direction. Then angle phi can be, you are given 4 options on screen. Come on, take a pause and try to answer this question. So next I am going to show you the next question on screen. Look at the question number 7. The body is executing simple harmonic motion which is given by x equals 6 centimeter into sine 10 t plus pi by 4. The velocity at a displacement root 20 centimeter is, of course you understood that t is time in seconds. The next is the displacement from mean position. So you have to find the velocity at x equal root 20 centimeter. Come on, try the question. I have shown the options on the screen. You can take a pause and take your time. So I am going to show the next question on screen. See the question number 8. Displacement time equation of a particle executing simple harmonic motion is x equal to f sine omega t plus pi by 6. Time taken by the particle to go directly from x equal to minus a root 3 by 2 to x equal plus a root 3 by 2 is, I have given 4 options in terms of pi and omega. Come on, take a pause and try this question. So I am next going to show the next question. See the question number 9. The particle moves according to the law x equal to a sine pi t by 2. The distance covered by it in the interval between t equal to 0 and t equal to 3 seconds is. So I have shown 4 options on the screen. Take a pause and try these questions. So next I am going to show the next question. See the question number 10. The particle is moving in a circle of radius capital R equal to 1 meter with constant speed v equal to 4 meter per second. The ratio of displacement to acceleration of the foot of the perpendicular dropped from the particle on the diameter of the circle is. Come on, take a pause and try to answer the question. The first option is 1 by 16 seconds square. Second option is 1 by 2 seconds square. Third option is 2 seconds square. Fourth option 16 seconds square. Come on, look at the next question. Question number 11. Particle starts oscillation simple harmonically from its equilibrium position. And the ratio of kinetic energy and potential energy of the particle at time capital T by 12 is capital T equal time period. Assume potential energy to be 0 at mean position. Come on, try the question. So in case you need more time, take a pause and take your time to answer this question. So I am going to show the next question on screen. So look at the question number 12. Two particles execute simple harmonic motion of same amplitude and frequency along close parallel lines. They pass each other moving in opposite directions. Each time their displacement is √3 by 2 times their amplitude. Their phase difference is. So we are shown 4 options on screen. Come on, take a pause and try this question. Next, I am going to show the next question on screen. See the question number 13. Block is kept on rough horizontal plank. The coefficient of friction between the block and the plank is 0.6. The plank is undergoing simple harmonic motion of angular frequency 10 radians per second in the horizontal direction. J equal 10 meter per second square. The maximum amplitude of the plank in which the block does not slip over the plank is. Come on, take a pause and finish trying the question. This problem comes under one of special cases I discussed earlier in SHM. So I am going to show the next question on screen. See the question number 14. Block rests on a piston that is moving vertically with simple harmonic motion. The maximum speed of the piston is 2 meters per second. At what amplitude of motion will be the block and piston separate? So look at the options here on the screen. Come on, take a pause and try the question. So I am going to show the next question. Look at the question number 15 on screen. So I am going to read the question number 15. A particle is performing simple harmonic motion along x-axis with amplitude 6 centimeter and time period 1.5 seconds. The minimum time taken by the particle to move from x equal plus 3 centimeter to x equal plus 6 centimeter and back again is given by. Come on, take a pause and try the question. So I am going to show the next question now. So look at the question number 16 on the screen. I am going to read the question number 16 now. A particle vibrates in simple harmonic motion along a straight line. Its greatest acceleration is 5 pi square centimeter per second square. and when it is distance from the equilibrium position is 4 centimeter. The velocity of the particle is 3 pi centimeter per second. The amplitude and period of oscillation of the vibrating particle are. Come on, take a pause and try the question. So I am going to show the next question on screen. So look at the question number 17 on the screen. So I am going to read out this question number 17. The particle executes simple harmonic motion with amplitude 5 centimeter. The distance 3 centimeters from the mean position. Magnitudes of the velocity and acceleration are equal. The time period of oscillation is, that means they are numerically equal. The time period of oscillation is, look at the options on screen. Come on, take a pause and try this question. So in case you need more time, take a pause and take your time. I'm going to show the next question. Look at the question number 18 on screen. I'm going to read the question number 18 now. Block is on a horizontal surface which is moving horizontally. Simple harmonic motion of time period 5 seconds. The greatest amplitude of the block so that the block does not slip is 4.9 centimeters. The coefficient of friction between the block and surface is, within brackets given G is 9.8 meter per second square. Come on, take a pause and try this question. This problem comes under one of special cases I discussed earlier. So come on, take a pause and finish trying this question. So I am going to show the next question on the screen. See the question number 19. I am going to read the question number 19 now. If capital E is the total energy, comma, capital F is the maximum force acting on the particle, and capital T is the time period of oscillating simple harmonic motion, then the maximum velocity of the particle is, within brackets it is given assume potential energy is 0 at mean position. Come on, take a pause and try this question. So I am going to show the next question on screen. See the question number 20. A particle of mass 10 gram is performing simple harmonic motion with a frequency of 10 per second. The maximum speed during the oscillations is 4 centimeter per second. Then the total energy of oscillations is, within bracket potential energy is 0 at mean position. Come on, can take a pause and try the question. So next I am going to show you the next question on screen. Look at the question number 21. I am going to read the question number 21 now. body of mass 0.1 kg, performing simple harmonic motion with a frequency of 35 by 11 per second, and amplitude 0.1 meter. If these oscillations are produced by a spring, then the force constant of spring is equal to. So I have shown 4 options on screen. The first option is 400 Newton per meter. The second option is 40 Newton per meter. Third option is 0.4 Newton per meter. Come on, take a pause and try the question. Come on, I'm going to show you the next question on screen. Look at the question number 22 here. The maximum velocity and maximum acceleration of a body of mass 2 kg performing simple harmonic motion are numerically equal. These oscillations are produced by a spring, then the force constant of spring is. I have given 4 options on screen. Come on, take a pause and try the question. So I'm going to show the next question on screen. See the question number 23. Mass suspended from a spring vibrates with a period of 2 seconds on the surface of the earth. It is taken to surface of moon and set to oscillate there. Its time period will be G on moon, that means acceleration due to gravity on the moon is 1/5 of the acceleration due to gravity on the earth's surface. Come on, take a pause and answer this question. So I am going to show the next question on screen. Look at the question number 24 on the screen. I am going to read the question number 24 now. The frequency of oscillations of a mass m suspended from a spring is 1 per second. Mass 4m is suspended from same spring and set into vertical oscillations of amplitude 2 centimeter. The maximum speed during the oscillations is shown 4 options on screen. Come on, take a pause and try the question. So next I am going to show the question number 25. Look at the question number 25 on the screen. I am going to read out this question. A 1 kg mass stretches the spring by 0.2 meter. In equilibrium position. Of course, after 0.2 meter, it should have equilibrium position. Again, I read the question. A 1 kg mass stretches spring by 0.2 meter in equilibrium position. It is further pulled down by another 5 centimeters and released. Then time taken by the mass to reach 2.5 centimeters above equilibrium position after it is released is. You take G as 9.8 meter per second square here. I'm shown the options on screen here. Come on, take a pause and try the question. So come on, take a pause and try the question here. I am going to show the next question on screen. Look at the question number 26 on the screen. I am going to read out this question number 26 now. A 4 kg mass suspended by light vertical spring is in equilibrium. If another 400 gram mass is also attached, the spring stretches further by another 2 centimeters in new equilibrium position. The 400 gram mass is removed without disturbing the system. The maximum speed of 4 kg mass during oscillations is, or take G as 9.8 meter per second square for this question. So I have shown 4 options on screen here. Come on, take a pause and try the question. So I am going to show you the next question on screen. Look at the question number 27. Particle of mass 0.1 kg execute simple harmonic motion under a force F equal to minus 3.6 Newton. Speed of the particle at mean position is 0.6 meter per second. Then amplitude of oscillation is, I've shown 4 options on screen. Come on, take a pause and try this question. So next, so I am going to show you the next question on screen. Look at the question number 28 on screen. Now I am going to read this question number 28. The natural length of a spring is equal to L0. Then put a full stop here. When a mass Kepler is suspended by it, the length of spring becomes equal to L in equilibrium. The mass is further pulled down by X centimeters below its equilibrium position and released. Then it oscillates with a time period equal to. So I have shown 4 options on screen. Come on, take a pause and try the question. I am going to show the next question on screen. See the question number 29. I am going to read the question number 29. 2 masses, capital M and small m, are suspended together by a massless spring of force constant K. And the mass are in equilibrium. Capital M is removed without disturbing the system. The maximum speed of mass small m during oscillations is. So I have shown 4 options on screen. First option is capital M into small g by root of k into small m. Second option is small m into small g by divided by square root of capital K into capital M. Third option is capital M plus small m whole multiplied by g whole divided by k into root of small m. Fourth option is capital M plus small m into g divided by root of k into capital M. Come on, take a pause and try this question. So, next question, I am going to show the next question here. Look at the question number 30. I am going to read out this question number 30 now. The 2 blocks of mass M1 and M2 are kept on a smooth horizontal table as shown in the figure. Block of mass M1 but not M2 is fastened to the spring. Now both the blocks are pushed to the left so that the spring is compressed at distance d. The amplitude of oscillation of block of mass m1 after system is released is. So you are given 4 options here in terms of m1, m2 and d. Come on, take a pause and try this question. So next I am going to show you the answers for all these 30 questions on the screen. And some of you might have answered a good number of questions. There are some of you might not have answered good questions. So don't get discouraged if you are unable to answer these questions, unable to solve these problems. Everybody can improve, provided they are interested to improve and learn the subject. In case you are not able to answer most of these questions, if you are not able to answer even 5 questions out of 30 questions, still you can try to improve this way. You do one thing, you first go through the solutions of all the questions, which we start discussion in the next class onwards. You go through the solutions for all the questions one by one. After going through the solutions for all the questions, then you take a gap of 1 hour or take a gap of 1 day if required. Then come back to the assignment in SHM again, starting from beginning. You forget that you have gone through all the solutions. Then again start afresh. Go through all the 30 questions. Go through the assignment again, starting from 1 to 30, and then try them afresh. Again starting from beginning question. So finally you should be able to answer these questions or solve the problems without looking into the solutions. Then when you go through the assignment second time, you should be in a position. So finally you should be in a position to solve any one of these problems or similar questions in case they are given in the actual entrance examinations or your grant test papers in your coaching class or college classes. Okay. So I am going to show you the answers for these questions, but I will not discuss solutions of these questions in this class. I will start discuss of solutions of these questions in next class. So now I am going to show you the answers for the questions in the assignment in simple harmonic motion for the first 30 questions. So look at the screen. I am going to read out the answers. For question number 1, the answers are 1 centimeter and minus pi by root 3 centimeter per second. That means y equal to 1 centimeter and velocity is minus pi by root 3 centimeter per second. For question number 2, third option is answer. For question numbers, next two questions 3 and 4, fourth option is answer. For question number 5, second option is answer. For question number 6, third option is answer. For question number 7, second option is answer. Even for question number 8 also second option is answer. So if you want to copy the answers, you can take a pause and copy the answers. So next I am going to show the answers for the question 9 onwards. For question number 9, second option is answer. For question number 10, first option is answer. For the next 3 questions, 11, 12 and 13, second option is answer. For question number 14, third option is answer. For next two questions, 15 and 16, second option is answer. So if you want to copy the answers, you can take a pause and copy the answers. For next two questions, 17 and 18, third option is answer. For question number 19, first option is answer. For next two questions, 20 and 21, second option is answer. For question number 22, fourth option is answer. For question number 23, first option is answer. For question number 24, third option is answer. For question number 24, third option, if you want to copy the answers, you take the pause and copy the answers. For question number 25, fourth option is answer. For question number 26, third option is answer. For question number 27, fourth option is answer. For question number 28, third option is answer. For question number 29, first option is answer. Even for question number 30, also first option is answer. So those who want to copy the answers, they can take a pause and copy these answers. So after going through correcting your answers, then you can go through the solutions which I have discussed in the next classes.